New leaks of the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max are providing us with a new glimpse of what may be one of the most visually striking redesigns in years, as excitement mounts for Apple's September 2025 presentation. A daring new rear arrangement is confirmed by a hands-on dummy unit seen online. Furthermore, more than simply the camera is drawing attention. The left camera island with a magnifying glass slanted receives a huge facelift. Bid farewell to the little camera clusters of the past several years. Similar to previous Poco designs, the iPhone 17 Pro now has a full-width camera island that stretches over the back and is frequently referred to as a camera visor. The larger shell makes a bigger visual statement that is guaranteed to divide opinions, even if the sensor architecture itself appears to be identical from the iPhone 16 Pro. The camera is placed in a bigger, unitary module, although it has the same triple lens arrangement. Nods to Android flagships are influenced by i's design, but with Apple style. Gemstones are still anticipated to provide camera performance that leads the market. Brick aluminum is the main attraction. Apple may finally be ending its lengthy relationship with titanium and stainless steel in a startling change. According to reports, the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max would have a stylish metal frame, probably intended to cut expenses and weight without compromising quality, feel, or durability. The green Apple logo has been moved. Minor detail. Much discussion. Although design changes are nothing new for Apple, this one is generating a lot of controversy. It is possible to move the logo to a more convenient location on the rear, between the new camera module and the device's bottom. Although it's a slight modification, even little adjustments may have a big impact on ardent Apple design enthusiasts. The internet is debating about this new placement, whether it's a clever visual balancing act or a branding blunder. The final thought: if these leaks turn out to be accurate, the iPhone 17 Pro series will have a daring design development in addition to under-the-hood improvements. Apple appears prepared to make a structural and cosmetic change with the extended camera visor, logo location, and material change. True judgment, however, will always be rendered once the actual equipment is in possession. Expect leaks, comparisons, and hot takes to appear more quickly than ever before September arrives. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.